Look, have you ever gotten a raise, felt excited for a few days, and then somehow your money stress stayed exactly the same? Same bills, same anxiety, same feeling of being one problem away from panic. Here's the thing. For most people, saving $12,000 feels more powerful than getting a raise. My name is Epstein, and I spend way too much time thinking about why money doesn't fix stress the way people expect it to. If you're someone who earns money but still feels financially fragile, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Most people think more income equals more security. No. When people get raises, most of that extra money quietly disappears into lifestyle upgrades. Better food, better rent, better subscriptions. Income goes up, but risk stays the same. Now look at the math. A $5,000 raise becomes maybe $300 a month after tax. Helpful, sure, but it doesn't protect you. But $12,000 saved? That's 6 months of basic expenses for many people. 6 months where a job loss isn't a crisis. 6 months where emergencies don't go on a credit card. That's not comfort, that's control. Here's what most people don't realize. Your brain hates uncertainty more than low income. Savings reduce uncertainty. That's why someone with cash in the bank often feels calmer than someone earning more with nothing saved. You don't need $12,000 tomorrow. Start with $1,000, then 3 months, then 6. Treat raises like they don't exist. Automate savings, keep it boring. Because the goal isn't to look rich, it's to feel unshakable. That's the real upgrade.